Hi everyone, in the previous video we have seen basics of loop and first type of loop called for loop. Today we are going for a while loop or while statement. As we have discussed, loop is used to iterate particular part of program several times. If you want to know more about basics of loop, then you can check it out my 8th video of Java series. Let's start while. The while statement continually executes a block of statement while a particular condition is true. Syntax for while can be expressed as while, expression, and statement. The while statement evaluates expression which must return a Boolean value. Flowchart of while loop is depicted in this picture. First of all, condition. Condition is an expression which must be evaluated to Boolean value. If condition is true, then compiler will execute statements, and after that compiler checks for the condition. This cycle repeats until condition becomes false. If condition becomes false, then compiler simply breaks the loop and stops itself. Let's see an example of while loop. First of all, we initialized I with 1, then while condition is I not equal to 3 and a couple of statements. First one prints i's value and other one simply increments i's value by 1. Let's see execution flow. First of all, i's value is 1, so 1 not equal to 3, condition is true. Compiler simply executes this couple of statements, prints i's value and increments I by 1. Now I became 2. Again compiler checks for the condition. 2 not equal to 3. Condition is true. Compiler simply prints 2, increments i's value. Now I became 3. 3 not equal to 3. Condition is false. Compiler simply breaks this loop and move forward. And this is the output of this program. Simply 1 and 2. In the next video of Java series, we will see do while loop. Until then, this is Vishnunathanpura signing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. Please press the bell icon for latest updates. If you have any doubt about the video, you can ask me on the comment section. Goodbye.